friends. It's time for us to have small groups. We are going to learn today about alliteration. And alliteration means that words have the same beginning sound. Um, Today, our letter for alliteration is S. So Ms. Charles has an example of what alliteration looks and sounds like, okay? So, do you recognize this name? Yes, that's Sophia's name. And Sophia's name begins with S, and S begins with the sound. So all of the words that are in this sentence begin with the sound. These are silly words. This is a silly sentence using alliteration. Okay, are you ready? So it says, Sophia sings silly songs on Saturdays. Isn't that a silly sentence? And they all, Sophia, the word sings, silly, songs, and Saturdays all begin with the same sound, which is so now we are going to play a sorting game, okay? We're sorting words that have the same sound sort, okay? So Miss Charles has a sock. See my sock? I have book. I have a spoon, and I have a spatula. Spatula. So I hear some of those words beginning with the same sound. And at the end of this game, then Miss Charles has a little bonus for you. So you have to tell me, you have to try to figure out the bonus, okay? So we're going to play our same sound sort. So we have the sound for the letter S and the B sound for the letter B, okay? So first, let's start with the sock. Sock. What is the beginning sound for sock? Yes, you're right. It's S. And so should I put that under the S or the B sound? Yes, friends, it goes under the S for sock. Sock. Next, I have a spatula. Spatula. What do we use a spatula for? Have you ever seen this before? Yes, we use like when I make hamburgers or when I make pancakes, when I have to flip something that I'm cooking, I use a spatula. So, spatula, what's the beginning sound for spatula? Yes, the beginning sound is S, okay? So, should I put that under the S or the B sound, B? Yes, spatula also goes under S. Sock and spatula have the same beginning sound. You are absolutely right, friends. Kiss your brain. Okay, I have another one. What are these? Yes, these are books. Books. Where should I put this picture? Should it go under the S, like the sock and the spatula, or should it go under the B for book? Yes, friends, you're right. It goes under B. Books begin with the book sound just like the letter B. Next, I have a spoon. This is a red spoon. Spoon. Should I put spoon under S or under B? Yes, I should put it under the S with the sock and the spatula. Spoon, sock, and spatula all have the same beginning sound. Friends, kiss your brain. You are so smart. Miss Charles is going to clap for you. Give you a round of applause. Nice job. Now, here's the bonus, okay? Remember Miss Charles said that she has a bonus? So here's the bonus, okay? We have this friend's name. Whose name is this? This is Beulah's name. Beulah. Beulah. What's the beginning sound for Beulah? Where should I put her? Yes, Beulah goes under the B. B for Beulah. B, b. Next, I have Sophia's name begins with the letter S. And what sound does S make again? You're right. So where should I put her? Under the S or the B? Of course, we're going to put her under the S, okay? So we have sock, spatula, spoon, and Sophia all begin with the letter S, which makes the S sound. And we have books and Beulah, which begin with the B sound, just like the letter B. All right, friends, that's all Miss Charles has for you for this game. I also want to remind you to make sure you send me your answer for the question of the day. And the question of the day is, which ball is your favorite ball? Do you like beach balls, bouncy balls, basketballs, baseballs, footballs? Soccer balls. What kind of balls do you like? Which one is your favorite? Okay, so send me a text and tell me your answer. All right, friends, I'll talk to you next time. See you later.